it's griddle time. Well, not really. I'm not griddling right now. What I'm gonna do is, we just got home. We've been gone for 2.5 months, maybe 3 months. And I haven't used the 28-inch Blackstone griddle since before that. So it's definitely out here in the garage. It's cold, there's snow on the ground. It's probably 32 degrees out right now. It's not too bad in the garage. But what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show, I haven't looked at it yet. I kind of peeked in one of the little corners here, but I haven't taken this off. I was doing this after each cook way back when I first got this griddle, and it just became, I used it almost every day and I didn't need to do this. So what I end up doing is, once it's all clean, I'll put a lot of grapeseed oil or extra virgin olive oil, whatever it is, just some sort of oil. I'll coat it pretty good with oil, and then I put parchment paper on it and I press it on in there, and that helps hold that oil onto that surface. Now this is going to be first time I'm really looking at it, so I'm going to take this off. Again, this was after about close to 3 months. Still oily, still got some oil on there. Ooh, looks pretty good. Now I can see on the edges here a little bit, there's some rust. So it's not too bad though. Still got a good seasoning on it. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up and give it a good wipe down and take a look at it. I've had the heat on for a couple of minutes and I turned it up a little bit. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a single little paper towel, just to get an idea of what we got going on here. Spread it out a little bit more, since there are some drier spots. Now that I did a single wipe, I'm just gonna let it heat up some more. Okay, it's not super hot yet, it's not smoking yet, but I can see it cooking off some of the old junk. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of grapeseed oil down. Let's get a coat on here. So let's recap. If you're going to not use your griddle for a while, I recommend, not sure it's the right way, but it's the way I do it. I recommend cleaning it like you normally clean it after a cook, and then throw a pretty generous amount of oil, whether it be olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I use grapeseed oil. I think when I did this one last, I used extra virgin olive oil because that's what I had at the time. But any oil should work. Just put a good amount on there. Then get parchment paper and press it down on there. That basically traps that moisture in there. And of course on the edges where it lifts up, I mean, you could put something down there to help keep it down, but you will get some dry spots and you might get a little bit of rust if there's not a good seasoning on it, if water is able to get to that cast iron. But as you can see, I also oil the outsides of this. I try to get the whole piece of cast iron. I can't get underneath obviously, but that should burn off anyways. Not gonna affect anything. But I'm just now basically re-seasoning it, or going through a couple little re-seasoning, some real thin coat, grapeseed oil, reheats just to lubricate everything back up, wipe off any potential rust that might be sitting around, and it's ready to cook on. All right, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.